Hello everyone, welcome back to Networking and Code Hub. In our last video, we started our networking series and today I will be break down network devices, what they do, how they work and why they are crucial in networking. So let's get started. In this video, I will explain network devices, include the hub, switch, router, modem, access point and firewall. These are the main network devices, so please try to understand, okay? Let's start with the first network device, the hub. A hub is a basic networking device that connects multiple devices in a network. A hub is one of the simplest network devices. You can think of it as a basic connector that allows multiple devices to communicate. But here is the catch, it does not control or it does not filter the data it sends. It just takes the data and forwards it to all connected devices, whether they need it or not. Here, the PC1 sends the data to hub. This hub forwards the data to all connected devices without filtering data. It works at the physical layer, layer 1 of the OSI model. The hub works at layer 1, which is called the physical layer in the OSI model. Don't worry about the OSI model right now, I will explain that in another video. For now, just understand that because it works at the physical layer. A hub does not have any intelligence to process or manage data. It simply acts as a signal repeater, passing electric signals from one device to another. An important point is, hub does not filter data, it just broadcasts data to all connected devices and works based on electrical signals, bits, meaning it does not understand MAC addresses or IP addresses. It only forwards the data to all connected devices. And the drawback is, it creates unnecessary traffic since data is sent to all devices, even if they don't need it. I hope you understand about the hub. Next, move on to the another network device, switch. Switch. A switch is an intelligent networking device that connects multiple devices but forwards data only to the need one. A switch is a smarter version of a hub. It connects multiple devices in a network, but unlike a hub, it does not send data to all devices. It sends it only to the correct device. This makes networks faster and more efficient. See here. The switch forwards the data based on the MAC addresses from PC1 to PC4. This is how actually switch works. A switch first checks which device needs the data and then send it only that device. This makes communication more efficient and reduces unnecessary traffic in the network. In real time, switches are used in the local area networks. It works at data link layer, layer 2 and sometimes at layer 3, multi-layer switch. Switch works at layer 2 of the OSI model, which is called the data link layer. This means it can understand and process MAC addresses. Just remember that a switch is smarter than a hub because it can decide where to send data. An important point is, a switch uses MAC addresses to determine where to send data, unlike a hub. MAC address means Media Access Control Address. It is a unique identifier assigned to a network interface code of a device, which is assigned by the device manufacturer and works based on MAC addresses, meaning it can identify device uniquely in a network, and the advantage is reduces network congestion by sending data only to the correct device. This is about switch. Next we have another network device is router. A router connects different networks and routes data between them. A router is one of the most important devices in networking, while a switch connects devices within the same network. But a router connects different networks together. Without routers, we would not have the internet. See here, the router 1 sends the data to router 2 and the router 2 sends the data to router 1 based on the IP addresses, each router having their own network. Router works at the network layer, layer 3 of the OSI model. A router operates at layer 3 of the OSI model, which is called the network layer. This means it understands and works with IP addresses. Just remember that a router is responsible for sending data between different networks, not at different devices. Now, an important point is, a router uses IP addresses to forward data packets between networks. In the future videos, I will explain about IP addresses and how to create and how to assign. Now just understand how router works. Router works based on IP addresses to determine the best path for data transmission, and the main function is connects a local networks, LANs, to external networks like the internet and manages internet traffic. This is all about router. Next we have another network device is modem. A modem converts digital data into analog signals and vice versa, allowing devices to connect to the internet. A modem is the device that brings the internet to your home or office. Without a modem, you would not be able to access the internet at all. It is responsible for converting signals so that your computer and the internet can understand each other. It works at the physical layer 1. Modem operates at the physical layer of the OSA model. This means it only deals with data transmission and does not understand MAC addresses like a switch or IP addresses like a router. An important point is it connects your home network to your internet service providers, ISPs. ISPs are like a Geo Airtel, and modem works based on signal conversion, analog to digital or digital to analog. Examples usage in modems are DSL, fiber or cable modems used for internet access. Now we try to understand the difference between modem and router. Many people confuse modems with routers. A modem connects your home to the internet, while a router distributes that internet connection to multiple devices. If a modem is like a door to the internet, a router is like a Wi-Fi system inside your home. This is the main difference between the modem and router. This is what the modem is. Let's move on to the another network device, access point. An access point is a device that extends wireless network coverage and allows more devices to connect to Wi-Fi. An access point is a device that helps extend a Wi-Fi network. If you have a weak Wi-Fi signals in some areas of your home or office, an access point can fix that by creating a stronger wireless network. It works at the data link layer, layer 2. An access point usually works at layer 2, data link layer, which means it uses MAC addresses to send data. Some advanced APs can also work at layer 3, network layer, to handle IP addresses and routing. An important point is it allows wireless devices like laptops and mobile phones to connect to a wired network and works based on wireless communication like Wi-Fi signals. The usage is access point used in large offices, public places and homes to extend Wi-Fi signals. What does an access point do? An access point allows wireless devices like laptops, smartphones and tablets to connect to a wired network. Instead of using cables, it provides a wireless connection. This is the main purpose of and uses of access point. And the final network device is firewall. A firewall is a security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. A firewall is like a security guard for your network. It protects your computer or network from hackers, viruses and unauthorized access by controlling what data can enter or leave. It works at various OSI layers depending on the type. Layer 3 for packet filtering, Layer 7 for application level filtering. A firewall can work at multiple layers of the OSI model. It mainly operates at layer 3 to filter data IP addresses. But advanced firewalls can also check data at layer 7 to block harmful websites and apps. What does a firewall do? A firewall is a security system that protects your network from hackers, viruses and cyber threats. It acts as a gatekeeper, deciding what data is safe to enter and what should be blocked. This is all about firewalls and this is all about the networking devices. That is all about network devices. I hope you understand everything. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, comment below. I will reply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.